The real story here today, Becky, is that we're going to have a listing of Chrysler on the New York Stock Exchange for the first time since 2007, 2008, before Daimler ultimately sold Chrysler. And then you have, for the first time, in a long time, people are going to be looking at Chrysler and they're going to say, okay, what is the growth prospects for this company? And Sergio Marchionne has laid out a very ambitious plan for the next 5 years. I mean, look what they're trying to do with this company, Fiat Chrysler, on a global scale. The expansion, the growth of sales by roughly 60% by 2018, a five-fold increase in profits. That's the projection for their 5-year roadmap out there financially. There's a real aggressive plan in place, and this really allows Sergio to say, okay, now I've got everything where I want it to be financially, in terms of where the company is, in terms of listings, in terms of headquarters, where the tax base is going to be set. Now let's focus on the business and expanding Jeep.
David, this is a huge milestone to actually see Chrysler trading again.
Absolutely. I mean, this company was sort of left for dead a couple times. First, Daimler got rid of it, as Phil said, to Cerberus Capital Management. The company was basically put up for sale for a year. The Obama administration didn't know what to do with it, ultimately gave the company to Fiat during the bankruptcy in 2009. And, really the results are pretty incredible. Over 50 straight months of sales growth. They're up 19% in September, but they've got to convince Wall Street that this plan that Phil talked about, spending over $50 billion over the next 5 years and dramatically increasing sales of Jeep, its Chrysler brand, and, its other luxury brands. There's still a lot of questions, not to mention all the weakness in Europe and whether it's going to be able to resolve some of the weak markets it has over there.